back to my channel. For today's memory planning layout, we are doing the last 2 weeks in November, and in these 2 weeks it's my husband's birthday this week on the 21st, which was a Sunday, and then my daughter's fell on Thanksgiving this year, so the following week is Valentina's birthday. So I do similar things for both of these. Obviously I'm always using cardstock, so this was from that rainbow colored paper pad I hauled from Hobby Lobby not too long ago, and I chose this purple and blue like painterly brushstroke one. I printed some of my pictures in black and white and other ones in color, and of course I made the big one of us selfieing it up in our neighborhood. And yes, Valentina is wearing bunny ears, but we were all wearing dolphin stuff because we were all watching the game together with him for his birthday. Yes, and both the two most important people in my life have birthdays around the holidays. It is what it is. So for this layout, I was also breaking out my stamps. So you're going to start to see me use some stamping soon to just stamp out Happy Birthday Miguel so that I can customize the title. And I use a deep purple ink called Grape Crush from Catherine Pooler. And what also, though, happens is because, Thanksgiving week, the kids are off from school, which is, obviously I'm learning, this Valentina's first years in school, and she's my first kid. So the week of her birthday, she actually wasn't going to be in class. So the Friday the 19th, I had to send her with her cupcakes with her classmates and stuff to celebrate and acknowledge her birthday with her classmates, because she does have a few friends in there that she talks about when she comes home. So it's kind of like her pre-birthday celebration was the 19th, and then Daddy's birthday was the 21st. So it was just like a whole birthday week, and then the following week was just like, Valentina everything. So this is that very cool, I love this alpha that kind of has a big and then a small version of the letter, so that you can kind of have these little wonky titles. And this one's from Heidi Swapp, and it's called Blue Skies, and I love it. Like, I got it from her website, one of my favorites. I've been using it quite a bit lately, so I just like the variation. I think that's why I like it. It's just a creative, artistic way to go about it, and I love the color purple with this. I don't have anything that match that blue, is why. But I've been stamping. I'm getting better. It's not perfect still, but there is improvement since the beginning. And I have to say, I am gravitating towards the stamping. I did a few shopping moments during Black Friday. And I got some Carrie Bradford, and I got this huge package from Elle Studio too. So it's definitely becoming part of my creative process to include stamping, even if it is in my memory planner. And I'm just stamping this on copy paper, so it's nothing like cardstock or anything too heavy, which makes it easy. So I do the same kind of process for Valentina spread the next week too, just with a different alpha. And yeah, so I love the way this comes out, and I do just cut it out. It's not completely centered. It's not, anything. It just, I made it work. I was just like, happy birthday, Daddy. This is a great way to always customize your titles in case you do want to include things like this and not rely on cardstock or certain stickers from sticker books. And I don't add any small stickers like sentiment ones, but I do add a very large Mombi stick to the other side to balance out the purple and the blues. And the large photo here worked perfectly. So I just wanted the text on the right, and then I needed text on the left that was big too. And so that is what happens. Okay, you saw me just finish up this layout. This was for Miguel's birthday. The stamping came out great with that Heidi Swapp alpha stamp. And I love the mix of black and white photos with the color photos, and then the big stick on this side. So now I did do the last week in November, which is my daughter's birthday. And the footage to this has been corrupted. I tried, it doesn't delete, it doesn't download, it doesn't even, you can't even hit play. And it's like 17 minutes of footage that it's just not working. So I'm just going to explain a little bit. I'm so sorry I lost the video clip for it, but I did get to use the princess stickers again, the large ones. Ariel or Rapunzel are her favorite, and her birthday actually landed on Thanksgiving this day. So for this layout, the pattern paper in the back was from this paper pad I hauled a while ago. It's actually right there. And so I just cut along one of the edges. I thought it looked like mermaid scales or like, seashell-y vibe, which is why I liked it. Using two of the bigger stickers, and then the upper one here, and then this one was the phrase sticker on the sheet with her as well. This stamping was done with a script alpha stamp from Elle Studio, and the ink color is Catherine Pooler, all that jazz. So that's how I got the colors to match really well. And what I love about it too is that I like the black and white photos along with the colorful ones for this page. It balances it out because I think that's kind of the problem with some of them, or how I said it looks too busy if I use such a detailed sticker like this. But for this, it works having some of them be black and white, I find. A few of you had said that you were also stalling on using these as well because of the same kind of hiccup I had with them. So I'm just trying to step out of my comfort zone and use them, and I think it turns out really well. So I'm really sorry I lost the footage of me creating this. But similarly, I stamped this on just like copy paper, which is why it's a little bit see-through. And then just placed it there. So between this page for the last week, having her birthday here, and then Miguel's birthday on Sunday, they're really only 4 days apart. I'll have my holiday family. These two look great. So I do want to say that I will be keeping up with memory keeping in 2022. I have a new album. I thought I was going to use the horizontal one, but I'll be honest, I'm so comfortable in vertical that I did pick up a vertical one since then. And I'm not doing any memory keeping in here for December because I am participating in December Daily. If you haven't seen those videos, I hopefully will leave the playlist down below in case you're interested. So you will see memory keeping in a planner still for me on the videos here on my channel for 2022. I will do a variety of chit-chatty ones with one layout because they do take about 10 to 15 minutes to do. And then if I don't do the chit-chatty version, like walking through it with you and conversating, I will, do the sped up footage and then do voiceovers. And then in those cases, I think I like doing 2 layouts for them because then it makes it around that 10-minute video mark. 7 to 10 minutes is like my average. I hope you've been enjoying this. If you're new to my channel, please consider staying and subscribing.